Here's 10 Lightroom tips in under 3 minutes. While you are adjusting any of the basic controls, holding Alt on a Windows or Option on a Mac will allow you to see where your photo starts to clip for both the whites and the blacks. In the Develop tab, press Y to compare the original to the edit side by side. Press Y again to go back to the edit. Press backslash to toggle the edit on and off if you'd rather view the edit like this. Press L to partially isolate the photo for easier viewing, and L again to fully isolate it. Press L again to go back to the edit. Press Tab to show and hide your sidebars. If you want to reset any of your sliders, just double click on the name of the control. You can save your adjustment masks as presets. One example is that I like to create custom vignettes to have better control over the size and shape of the vignette. So I'll create a radial vignette, size it up, invert it, feather it, and reduce the highlights and the whites. And then to save it, just click here and save it as a new preset. You can also do this for brushes and linear gradients as well. I like presets like everyone else does, but a lot of the times the presets can be a little too overpowering. A feature that was just added this year, which is awesome, is the ability to adjust the intensity of the preset. Something I like to do a lot with my photos is actually to reduce the clarity to give the image a faded look. This is especially useful for landscapes where you want to give the image a little bit more of a dreamy or foggy look. You can apply a linear gradient like so, and then reduce the clarity and even reduce the dehaze to get it looking super dreamy. The new AI filters in Lightroom are amazing, and the ones that I like to use a lot are the Enhance Eyes and the Polished Portrait. Again, you can adjust the intensity if it's too much to get it looking better, but not too much. I like to edit on the Lightroom app on my phone sometimes, but I don't want or need all of my photos synced to the cloud for access everywhere. So what I'll do is I'll create a collection and then click here to sync it to all of my devices. If you want to sync an existing collection, then just click this little icon here. The calibration tool is one of the most powerful editing features in Lightroom and something that I use constantly in editing. Here's a nice looking fall photo, but to make the colors pop, I'm going to do some adjustments to the blue primary and the red primary. And with just adjusting these, you already have a way nicer looking fall image, which you can then adjust further in the HSL tab. You can customize this banner at the top of Lightroom. All you have to do to customize this banner is right click and go into here. Now you can adjust your font, your size, the color, everything at the top of the banner here. There's a super quick way to level out your horizons. Go into the crop tool and click this ruler. Now click and hold across your horizon, and just like that, it's straight. Hit that like button if you got value out of this video, and leave a comment down below with your best Lightroom tip.